Hello dear viewers, welcome to our intriguing new documentary video where we will delve into the world of FTX and explore what happened with this crypto exchange. We will focus on a concise summary of the events, examine how such incidents can be prevented in the future, and discuss the importance of personal responsibility in the crypto space. So buckle up for an eye-opening journey into the FTX debacle and its lessons. Let's dive right in. In this video, I will provide a fast-paced explanation of what occurred with FTX and its implications. We will uncover how personal responsibility plays a crucial role in safeguarding your assets and explore the concept of self-custody. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to protect your crypto investments, so stick around for some invaluable insights. First, a brief overview of what transpired with FTX. FTX US and FTX.com were crypto exchanges that were essentially owned by the same individual, Sam Bankman-Fried. While FTX should have operated as a crypto ATM, providing you crypto for your money, it advertently morphed into a crypto bank, allowing users to store their funds on the exchange. The issue arose when FTX realized that billions of dollars were sitting idle in user accounts, leading them to make risky trades, resulting in significant losses. The downfall of FTX was not due to the shortcomings of blockchain technology. In fact, blockchain and cryptocurrencies were designed to avoid centralized control over user funds. However, FTX problems arose because users treated it like a bank instead of utilizing the self-custody feature of cryptocurrencies. Let's delve into how we can prevent such situations in the future. How could we have stopped the FTX incident? The answer lies in personal responsibility. We as individuals hold the power to protect our assets. If you had your crypto staked with FTX, you could have withdrawn it and staked it yourself, ensuring full control. Similarly, if you had crypto held in an FTX account, you could have simply moved it to your own personal wallet, reducing the chances of such incidents. By practicing self-custody, you retain ownership of your crypto and eliminate the risk of centralized exchanges using your funds. So, what is self-custody? In the world of cryptocurrencies, ownership is determined by the possession of specific information, the private key. Your private key is a unique string of ones and zeros, which grants you the ability to control your funds. Self-custody means that only you possess this private key, ensuring complete control over your assets. Never share your private key with anyone, as losing it means losing access to your funds forever. Now let's walk through how to create a self-custodial wallet using MetaMask, a popular and user-friendly option. To set up MetaMask, go to metamask.io and install the Chrome extension. Create a password for the wallet and proceed with the seed phrase, a sequence of 12 words. Write down the seed phrase as it's crucial for restoring your wallet in case of device loss. Never share the seed phrase or private key with anyone. Now you have your self-custodial wallet ready to use. To transfer funds from centralized exchange like Coinbase to your self-custodial wallet, simply copy your wallet address from MetaMask and paste it into the send section of the exchange. Initiate the transfer and within minutes your funds will be securely in your own wallet. By taking personal responsibility and embracing self-custody, you can protect your crypto investments from the risks associated with centralized exchanges. Remember, crypto was designed to empower individuals, and by using it as intended, you become the master of your financial destiny. Stay vigilant, safeguard your private keys, and never leave your assets on exchanges. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of FTX and the importance of self-custody. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights. Remember, your crypto, your responsibility. See you in the next video.